you can use your identity from another account, LinkedIn, Microsoft, Facebook or Google, to log into Fusion. To do this, you need to associate your Fusion account with your chosen identity. First, go to your school's login page. Click on the identity you want to use to log into Fusion, so I'm going to use LinkedIn. When you reach this page, click on the Manage Links option. Enter the login details from this other identity and sign in. Then give MyLearning UK permission to use that identity by saying Allow. What this is saying is that they couldn't find an account already linked to that LinkedIn identity, so I need to set it up because this is the first time I've linked the two accounts together. So I go to the next step and I log in to Fusion and click Link Accounts. And you can see here at the top it says that they've successfully linked my two accounts together. If I now log out, the next time I come to Fusion, so long as the device that I am on is logged into that particular identity, in this case my LinkedIn account, I can come here and simply click on LinkedIn to log straight into Fusion. So that's how to set up quick login to Fusion using one of your other identities online.